Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to Python. Python is a high-level programming language used for a wide range of applications, from web development to scientific computing and data analysis. It was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. One of the main reasons for Python's popularity is its ease of use and readability. Its syntax is simple and straightforward, making it a great language for beginners to learn. Python is also an interpreted language, which means you can write code and execute it immediately without needing to compile it first. Python has a large and supportive community, which has contributed to the development of many powerful libraries and frameworks. These include NumPy for scientific computing, Django for web development, and TensorFlow for machine learning. Python's versatility and ease of use make it a great choice for a wide range of programming tasks. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced programmer, Python is a language you should definitely consider learning. Happy coding!